Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys on how to get this AT&T AirTies Wi-Fi extender working. As you can see, it is flashing in red. So I have a problem with my internet again, and then the AT&T technical support asked me to go to my Wi-Fi router and then press the WPS for like 5 seconds. Press and hold it down to reset it, and then go to my Wi-Fi extender to press here for 10 seconds. But somehow it's not working. So let's go ahead and show you guys on the how to sync it with your Wi-Fi router. So we're over here again. This is my Wi-Fi router, the BGW210. So make sure you have power and then the broadband it is on. And now we're going to press this WPS. And then after that, you're going to go to your Wi-Fi extender to press the WPS so it can sync. So I'm going to press the WPS so it can sync.
Yes, where you see retainment of learning the skills, right? But I'm thinking, Lisa,
So you got to wait for like a couple minutes, okay? And hopefully yours going to turn into green after they sync completely. So as you can see on the Wi-Fi router, it is still blinking green. And if you have more than two wireless extender, you want to go ahead and do that each time for each Wi-Fi extender. You don't want to do two at the same time. So now you can see this steady green. I'm going to go to the extender and check it out. By the way, initial sync, you want to go ahead and put it right close to your Wi-Fi router. Okay? And after that, after you sync it, you can move wherever you want. So as you can see, it is green right now. So I'm going to go ahead and connect this back to my D-Link, the wireless camera, and it should be working again. Because it was like blinking red or blinking green, like keep on blinking. So if you have a blinking green or blinking red, this is how you fix it to sync it correctly. So let's go to the connect the camera back. So I'm gonna plug this one in.
I know we look at the other end, right? What are their assets?
And then the yellow cable on the back.
So that means that you have to meet the parent right there. Then, whether it's October or March, we don't have to wait just because it's parent conference and we meet with them. That's what teaching you professionally. You just reminded me something, Lisa. You know, on that continuum of prevention.
And you don't need to press anything, just let it sync by itself.
When we progress report and get 3 out of the whole class just got 1, that tells you how basic that teacher is. He's not working at that proficient level.
And then I have to do the same thing for this one. So after the technician told me to reset it, press this for 10 seconds. And all it does is just blinking green. So I'm gonna bring it upstairs to resync it again. Even though the camera shows that there's no red flashing LED, when I go to my app, it's not working or connected due to this Wi-Fi extender. So let's go ahead and move up there.
November birthday, baby.
So what you wanted to do is plug this power in. And then if your Wi-Fi extender is on already, you want to go and then turn off the switch by pressing that button right there. Then turn it back on. And then that should give you 2 of the red LED. flashing or stay on. Well, anyway, this one is showing the 2 flashing green. We're just going to go press WPS, or as you can see, it shows red now. Alright, so either green or red, we're going to go ahead and then press the WPS on the Wi-Fi router. And then I'm going to come back and press it on here, the extender. So we're going to do the same thing. Press the WPS. And stop blinking. Now we're going to go ahead and then press the WPS on the extender. So yeah, it's going to take a couple of minutes to sync. So as you can see, the wireless router is steady green right now. And then the extender should be steady in green soon. So alright, so as you can see, the extender is kind of steady green right now at the 2.4 gigahertz. It was flashing on the 5 gigahertz. So now we could move to any location you want, but be sure when you initial sync it, put it right next to your Wi-Fi router. And if that didn't work, you want to go ahead and connect the cable, Ethernet cable right here, either first port or the second port onto the back of your router, okay? If you don't want to do the Wi-Fi way. So now we can connect this to any location now. Alright, so I'm down here right now. I'm gonna plug it back in. And just don't do anything, don't touch anything. Let it sync by itself. And be sure to connect the cable, your Ethernet cable on the back of the router. On the back of the extender. You can connect it to any port. So let it wait for a couple minutes and sync by itself. Alright, so once the red LED is gone, that means we're back in business, okay? I'm gonna turn on my app and check it out. Alright, so everything works out perfectly. As you can see, I'm waving at you guys or walking around. Cool. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one. Like always. Peace.